NFTs, the metaverse, you've probably heard of this 1,000 times, but I have a course made just for beginners that's going to show you how you can make passive income using NFTs and things that you already own as far as images, videos, and content to create your own NFTs. Right now is the easiest time in the space to make money off of NFTs and crypto. As you can see, major Fortune 500 companies like Starbucks are now joining the NFT ecosystem, and they're going to start loyalty programs, and they're going to be making royalties off of these NFTs, as well as giving people exclusive access to certain products that they own. If you're interested in something like this, swipe up or hit the link below. The course is only $20, so it is accessible to most people, and it's probably going to be the best $20 you've ever spent.